Alright, this is how we change Toyota solenoids over. These 5 are pretty self-explanatory. They're just 10mm bolts. If you take note here, one of these has to go above that one. But what we're going to do is keep them all where they belong anyway. Okay, these next 4 are a little bit trickier. To remove this retaining plate. And under here, you're going to have 2 pins that retain the solenoids. And you'll see there's a slot in which they engage. Same thing back here. And to put them back on, we just reverse the procedure. There's a bracket that goes on this one that holds your wiring harness. And to reinstall these, by the way, this is the SLT solenoid, your main pressure control, and this is kind of something that goes bad a lot. So it's a good idea to do them all anyway. And again, you always want to line up your slot like so. Sometimes you have to move it around a little bit for it to engage. And these don't need to be torqued, but I am in the habit of torquing everything. So we're going to go 80 inch-pounds on your 10mm head bolts. And 55 inch-pounds on your 8mm head bolts. And just move them all to make sure that they're not bound up and you have the pins in right. Alright, I'm going to leave some extra information here. So this is going to tell you which solenoids are which if you have to change any of them.